We will guide you through how to import Confluence space. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your computer, go to atlassian.com/software/confluence, and wait for the Confluence website to load completely. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address in the email field, making sure it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Continue to proceed to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring that the credentials are correct before proceeding. Click Login to access your Atlassian account. Click the app switcher icon next to your profile picture to display the available Atlassian applications. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Click Import from other tools to access the available import options for bringing content into your Confluence workspace. Select Import from other tools to open the import configuration page. Select HTML import to choose the method for importing the Confluence space from an HTML export file. Click the box labeled Select a zip file to upload to open the file selection window on your computer. Select the zip file containing the Confluence space that you want to import. Click Open to upload the file, and wait for the upload process to finish completely. Click Next to continue with the import configuration. Enter a name for the space, making sure the name clearly identifies the content and purpose of the imported space. Select the space permissions according to your needs. For example, keep the default space permissions if no changes are required. Click Next to continue reviewing the import settings and proceed to the final step. Click Start Import to begin importing the selected Confluence space. You have now successfully imported a Confluence space.